let's have for here is the last topic for today's lesson, which is equipment and principle in solid liquid extraction. And if we look at the solid liquid extraction as a technique, we know that in solid liquid extraction we will have two. Either we would like to harvest or we would like to extract. We get the precipitate, or we would like to have a liquid. So for the precipitate, here is the method or the technique that we can use. Either it is if it's deep filtration or deep bed filtration or screening. So here is a few things that we can do. Or it is if we like to get the liquid. Here are a few things that we can do with the liquid to do a further process. Let's have a look at each of the method that we have for the flotation. Flotation is a gravity separation process based on the attachment of air or gas bubble to solid or liquid particle, which are then carried out to the liquid surface where they accumulate as a fluid and can be skimmed off. Here, there is the flotation. So then we can get the floating thing, and we can skim off it. We do have a magnetic separation and gravity sedimentation, hydrocycling, and each of the expression you can explore either by yourself or all of this thing. We have a sedimentary centrifuge. We do have one in our lab. It is an imperforated bowl into which a solution is fed, which is rotate at a high speed, in which the liquid is removed through a skimming tube while the solid either remain in the bowl or ultimately discharged from the bowl. You can refer yourself. And then this one is the application of solid liquid extraction in our daily life or in industry. For example, in food, we would like to extract the sugar from sugar cane or sugar beet. Also, the extraction of vegetable oil from different seeds. So we are using this one in palm oil industry. We are using this actually in pharmaceutical industry. Extraction of active ingredient from medicinal plants in hydrometallurgy, where we are try to extracting a valuable metal in mining industry. For example, gold is leached from its ore using aqueous sodium cyanide solution. Sodium cyanide is hazardous chemical. We need to deal it with extra care. Cobalt and nickel salts are leached using sulfuric acid, ammonia, or sodium mixture. And copper salt are dissolved or leached from its ore by sulfuric acid or ammonia solution. And then here is a YouTube link that you can refer to see the application of solid liquid extraction in industry. And I would like to end our class with this hadith. Is antum alamu bi amri dunyakum. Kamu lebih mengetahui urusan duniamu. As we know that this kind of extraction or modern or sophisticated process, it doesn't. We don't have this any before or in previous decade. We don't have it, but this process is really in the modern decade. So what we need to do is we need to learn about this one, and we can use all of this technique. However, certain thing that we need to remember is sometimes we are dealing with a chemical, hazardous chemical. So here is the task of is for us to treat all of this one and and become the process that we take is become okay. For example, if we would like to discharge all of this chemical, we need to treat all of this chemical, so it will become a non-hazardous chemical to our environment. This is that we need to do. So as our task, we need to remember that our task as human in this world is to become Khalifah. What is Khalifah? Khalifah is a leader. So all of the obligation, for example, if we can refer to ourselves, we are specialized in chemistry or chemical environment, chemistry environment. So we need to use our knowledge for a good cause in this world. I would like to end our class for today, and I hope that you can get information from me. And if you have any question, you can leave it in comment section, or you can communicate with me through WhatsApp or email. So I will try my best to answer all of your questions. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.